Back it off.
Two people can do that. Nice.
All right, now. Come on now.
He has till 5, right?
You have to fight. You have to Got it? Sure. Bring him out. Let's go. Let's work. Gentlemen, I need one of you standing.